When deciding on where to place a Fibonacci fan, there's not always one exact answer. Usually, there can be several options with overlapping results. For example, in this case, we used the steepest portion near the end of a downtrend. And similar to crossing the center line of the first method, the transition to stronger neutral to bullish sentiment is marked with the crossing over the final upper fan line. Then a similar result is achieved using the first method where the Fibonacci fan is based on a normal trend line. Then the following uptrend shows a less common case where price continues to make regular contact within the boundaries of the fan lines above and below the center line, even though this is a much longer time frame with the fan lines being spread far apart and increased volatility has appeared. Shifting the endpoint to a more recent swing low produces similar results, where some of the major bearish continuations still take place around the middle portion of the fan, and since the start point is based on a major swing point, it's not uncommon to see a major support and resistance area identified by the horizontal line formed by the boundary of the fan. During the same approximate time period, let's try a Fibonacci fan based on a swing low and swing high. Two variations of this produces similar results where a major break of the lowest fan lines marks the area of a major bearish continuation. That is further into the development of the trend rather than the first major bearish continuation that was identified with the method where the center line is also a normal trend line. On the way down, there are plenty of options for plotting a new fan, but they are all generally less useful due to the environment of sharp movements and periods of congestion.